I'm Bridget Powning. I am studying philosophy, politics, and economics. I am from Markhamville, New Brunswick. So we are at my family's pottery studio. We're surrounded by the forests and hills that I love. This summer I'm doing research, writing, and a sculpture project in collaboration with Community Forests International. The name of my internship is the L.R. Wilson Internship in Public Policy and Public Service. With that, I am studying concepts of value in terms of the environment, breaking down the underlying assumptions of value in the economic system, and I'm looking at incorporating an intrinsic understanding of the value of nature. I mean, it was really nice to be able to work for the same organization 2 years in a row. I learned a lot about how to be a self-directed learner, and it has definitely pushed me more towards the idea of going into law and maybe becoming an environmental lawyer. It's a great thing to apply for internships. I'm not an environmental studies major, but I'm doing something that is very closely tied with, environmental forestry. And that is something that I wouldn't be able to have the opportunity to do if I didn't have access to this great internship funding.